Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rajni Goyal. Welcome back to my class. Today we will discuss the topic human excretory system. As we know that various chemical reactions occur in the human body. For example, carbon dioxide is formed as a waste product during the process of respiration. And similarly, in case of digestion of food, undigested food is formed as a waste product during the process of digestion of food. So, the removal of the waste product from the body is known as excretion. Various organs involved in the process of excretion like skin, lungs, kidney, these are the organs which help in the process of excretion. So today we will discuss the topic human excretory system, and in this system the human excretory system consists of 4 parts. The first one is kidney, second ureter, third one is urinary bladder, and the fourth one is urethra. In the human body we have 2 kidneys, right kidney and the left kidney. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. Kidney are the organs, they are bean shaped, clear? They are bean shaped and they are reddish brown in color, and kidneys help in the removal of waste product in the form of nitrogenous waste, clear? And along with this they purify the blood also, clear? After that, as we know that cells are the basic structural and functional unit of our life. So here in case of kidney, the nephrons are the basic structural and functional unit. Kidney composed of millions of tube-like structure called nephrons. After this, we will discuss the waste product, nitrogenous waste product. As we know that they are formed in the liver, clear? After that they will come into the kidney with the help of blood, and from kidney they will pass out in ureter. Ureter are the tube-like structure, and from here the urine will pass out in the bag-like structure called urinary bladder. So we have 2 kidneys, along with that we have 2 tube-like structure known as ureter, clear? This one is right ureter and this one is left ureter, clear? Then urine will pass into muscular bag known as urinary bladder. Here the urine will store temporarily, and this short tube-like structure which is known as urethra, from here the urine will pass out from our body. So the removal of the urine from the body is known as urination. I hope you have understood the topic. If you understood the topic, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.